Methane, CH4 again. The Hubble telescope has seen methane in the atmosphere of a planet 63 light years away. Cows. I'm sure from what we've learned tonight, we know that that must mean there is a 66% probability that that planet has cows on it. Right? Greetings from Bermuda, this is BDA Limey, and welcome to Sokobond. So, the Steam Summer Sale is currently on, but I have no space in my backlog. Greetings, Sycorax, how are you doing? So, I thought it was time to clear a little space in my backlog by playing some of the games that I've bought recently and haven't actually played yet. Starting with the smaller games, so that I can hopefully either complete them or play enough of them that I'm kind of satisfied and move on. So, Sokobond is one of those games. So this is a game that was released back in 2014, I want to say, 2013 maybe even. It's currently available for $3 on the Steam sale. So if you like it, it is super cheap to pick up. And it kind of struck me because it's very minimalist, which I love. I love minimalist art style games. And it's a puzzle game, which I also enjoy. And so we're going to give it a go and we're going to see what it's like. So, did I resolve that missing broadcast problem in the end? I did not. Twitch did say it was going to take them 72 hours to get it fixed. So, it still says I'm broadcasting Roadbook from last night. So, hopefully they will eventually fix it. And kind of that's kind of part of the reason also why I'm playing this, is to give them time to sort that out, and so I can see whether I've got a proper full game of Roadbook or not. Anyway, enough talking about Roadbook. Let's give Sokobond a go. Let's go. So, we control the movement. Oh, cool. No worries. Yeah, the one from earlier recorded fine. And that's all edited and ready to go now, but I just need to get the parts 1 and 2 first. So it sounds like maybe Monday I'll get that. Okay, so let's go. So we are a hydrogen atom, and we can move ourselves up and down and left and right. And basically the object of the game is to make molecules. So when we move next to an atom of something else, like oxygen, we will make a bond with it. And then we can go next to the other hydrogen atom and we'll make a bond with that. And that is the puzzle solved. And we have made water, H2O. Did you know that water expands by about 9% with tremendous force when frozen? If you didn't, you do now. And so this is what this game is all about. And it seems deceptively simple. But I think it's going to get quite hard quite quickly. Okay, so we are the dotted hydrogen atom again. Grab the oxygen. Let's make water again. H2O. By mass, humans are about 60% water, most of it in our cells. So we've now got a choice of puzzles to do. Let's do that one. Okay. Now already things have got harder. So I played a little bit of this earlier when I was setting up the stream, and it really does get hard quite quickly. It's like, well, okay, so that's not going to make a bond. I can't rotate it or anything. All I've got is literally I can move up, down, left, right. That's it. And when I do that, I push that in there, and now I can't bond with it, and I failed, which is why it's telling me to reset. So let's reset the puzzle. And try again. Hence why you make sure bottles going into the freezer are only filled halfway. Absolutely right. Okay. I think this is the first puzzle where it's like, wait, hang on a minute. This game is maybe not that easy. So that's the only move I can do there. That's the only move I can do there. Okay. We go down like that. We push it. Man. Like lateral thinking. Push it down and then we can go across there and we can make water again. Did you know that the rings of Saturn are almost entirely made of frozen water? Okay, now I've got an atom of nitrogen instead. So bonus points for chat. Who knows what NH3 is? How am I going to do this? Can you remember your high school chemistry? Not like that is the answer. Let's reset that. No, I've just done the same thing again. Man, if this is how hard it is in the early levels of the game, I dread to think how hard it's going to get in the later levels. And these are levels, like I say, that I played through once already while I was setting up the stream like about a week ago. No, it's not going to work either, is it? So I can undo one step. Is that giving me a clue? Is that saying you just did that one step wrong, but the first one was right? I don't think so, because then I'm back to where I was before. Actually, NH3. What is NH3? Can't remember my chemistry. Okay, so... there are only two options. Either I'm going to go down and I'm going to bond with the hydrogen atom below me, or I'm going to go left and I'm going to bond with the one to the left of me. Feel free to jump in if you see the answer. Hang on, push. Can we push? Can we push anything anywhere? Ammonia. Yeah. Oh my god. I feel stupid already and we're on what, level 3? Okay, let's say it's down. We can only either go down or we can go left. So let's say we go down. What can we do from here? We can go back up and pick up the atom on the top. Hey, Jolly Gamer, how you doing? How you do? I do like minimalist. Any game like this that's like 90% white and then color. Just scratches my sweet spot. My kind of Kandinsky, Mondrian, those kind of artists. I love that kind of art, and I think that's kind of why I love games like this. There was something else I played that had a similar aesthetic a while back. What was it? I can't remember what it was. But oh my god, do I want more Steam recommendations? Yes, I do. Yes, give me more Steam recommendations. Must buy all the games. Hamster on Coke Games. There is a publisher called Hamster on Coke. That's hilarious. I will go and check them out. This could of course be the world's shortest ever stream if I get stuck on one of these puzzles and can't get past it. Like how the friggin' A? It can't be this hard. There is no rotate. No, you like it's like, but I need a rotate. Like, if I could rotate, I would just rotate and then I would go in and we'd be done, right? It feels like there should be a rotate. Okay, so the starting position, I'm going to reset. The starting position is there. Honestly, this looks like such a simple game. The music is so chill. It looks lovely. And it's as hard as shit. I think it's going to get quite stressful. Yeah, I mean, we're going to either make a bond with the one below us or the one to the left of us. There are no other options. Left 1, down 1, right 2. Left 1, down 1, right 2. Gets us there. But how do we get back over here? We can't do anything with anything! Wait, hang on. We could go down here. That's different. Ah! Jesus, why was that so hard? It was simple. Ammonia, NH3. Your kidneys secrete ammonia to neutralize acid. Yeah, so the one that we can move is the one with the dotted line around it, and we're linking to the others. Okay, let's ease our way across this. Okay, so we're moving the hydrogen atom on the left. So this is going to be H2O2. So yeah, no using Google. It's all, can you remember your high school chemistry? What is H2O2? Okay, so I guess let's just experiment to start with. So, and I guess if you know, actually no, it's only going to bond to us. Your liver secretes alcohol because you drink so much. So we got to remember we can do the pushy thing as well. This has to be the starting point, or we can do it from the top, but it's symmetric, so it doesn't matter. So what are our options? Either we go there and we go up and we bond with the hydrogen. Well, let's just do it. Oh no, we're not bonding with the hydrogen. Why are we not bonding with the hydrogen? I guess hydrogen doesn't bond to hydrogen because it's only got one. It's only got one thing. Dihydrogen monoxide would be H. Wait, it's not water. Wouldn't that be H2O? Remember my electrons exactly. God, I don't remember my electrons. I did physics at university. Chemistry, I got as far as A levels, and then I was quite happy to be done with chemistry. Okay, so if it won't bond to that, Google says dihydrogen monoxide. Google's lying because mono means one. Games Sinker and Sinker 2. Okay. Did I look at those? I looked at some games by the same, I don't know if it's the same developer or the same publisher as this. Quite a lot of minimalistic puzzle games actually. But I decided not to go down that particular thing. Dihydrogen dioxide. Indeed, but what is that also known as more commonly? Oh, he's bonding to him. So I guess we have to bond the oxygen and the hydrogen, and we're not going to do that. This game makes you feel super stupid. It really does. Either that or maybe it's possible that I am just actually stupid and bad at this game. Oh, hang on. We can do that. Then we can do that. Hydrogen peroxide. 1 litre of pure hydrogen peroxide can release over 300 litres of pure oxygen. Okay, Monty Hall. Named after the famous Monty Hall problem. Now this was one that gave me trouble when I first tried it. Can I remember the solution? We do that. And we do that. And then we don't do that because then we're stuck. Hang on. Maybe we push that up instead. And then we do that. Glass Masquerade in the second one. Golf Peaks. Kel Memento, and Kel Reflect. Oh my god. No, stop! Stop! No more games. No more games. There's too many games. Thank you for the recommendations. I will take a look at those later. Are these all from the same publisher? All from the Hamster on Crack or whatever it was? That's not going to work, is it? Maybe we push. Maybe we do. Do we do that one? And then that. Got it. That. And then that. And then we got ammonia again. 2/3 of all ammonia on Earth comes naturally from cows. 2/3 of all ammonia on Earth comes naturally from cows. Let's sink in for a minute. Carbon atom, CH4. CH4. Just ones you've played? Have you played this one? Again, we've got limited options. We're going to need to form a cross. That might be wrong. No, that can't be wrong because the alternative is to go in the middle of the two of them, and that's just not gonna be right, is it? Oh, I played Infinifactory. Yeah. Loved Infinifactory. I love all the Zachtronics games. Space Chem. Started with Space Chem. Loved Space Chem. Put a ton of time into that. Infinifactory was good. God, what were the other ones? Well, so Opus Magnum that I played fairly recently, that was a Zachtronics game as well. They've got a couple of games that are kind of sort of programming oriented. Trouble with those is they feel a bit too much like work. So okay. And then we go up there for that one. And then there, and then there. Perfect, okay. Cool. Well, now's the time. $3 on Steam. Methane, CH4. Compost heaps can produce methane if they don't get enough air. Okay, Lotus. So we don't want to bond to 1, 2 rather, so we want to bond to 1. So that's got to be the first right move. Then we push that down, we bond there, and we come up for that one. I have to feel that after playing this for a certain amount of time, your brain's slowly going to kind of get into the groove. Oh, I hope. Methane again. Methane was discovered by Alessandro Volta, who later invented the battery. Okay, and that has unlocked Series 2 of the puzzles, but let's go and finish Series 1 first, because I'm sure 2 is not going to be any easier. NOH3. Okay, what's that going to be? It's going to be... I can't remember how you come up with chemical formulas. Like, is it NOH3? NH3O? It's been many years since I did chemistry. NOH3. Yeah, I guess the number of electrons spinning around them does give us clues as to what has to bond to what, right? So we're going to be making 3 bonds with the nitrogen, 2 bonds with the oxygen. I feel like it's going to be NH bonded to H2O. Okay, symmetric. So again, the choice is, do we want the hydrogen on the top of us or the side of us? Oh, it's... I go up and bond there. Can I then bond the oxygen? Do that. Yes! Hydroxylamine. NH2OH. Many integrated circuits in phones and computers were washed with hydroxylamine-based cleaners. Final one in the yellows. COH4. I'm moving the oxygen, okay. Do we think this is going to be a similar pattern? Don't know. I can only bond to 2 things. Oh my god. Not even knowing the shape of the molecule that you're trying to build makes life harder. Okay, so presumably that has to be the first one. We are gonna need to bond to the carbon next. Yeah, the Steam version has some achievements, but I think it's just linked to completing each color group. It is. I think it is classified as a. On Twitch, it's got the educational tag attached to it as well. I don't know. Like it's more a puzzle game, I guess, than a chemistry game. But I guess if you know what the molecule is that you're building, it might help because you might know what you need to bond to what. Okay, I feel like I have to bond to the carbon next, otherwise I'm going to be moving around a molecule that's unable to bond to anything else, which would not be right. So, oh, okay. Do that, then come up, and then go like that, and then Methanol. CH3OH. Methanol is also called wood alcohol or wood spirits. Okay. Oh. Alright, second yellow area. Okay, do we go the second yellow area or do we go to the red area? Looks like there are more areas off the red area as well. Yellow or red? Let's stick with yellow. Suit. Mellow yellow.
Greetings.
Greetings, Fatid. How are you, sir? How's your chemistry? It is not space chem. It is not space chem. But it is chemistry in spaces. I can't remember how we did this last time. Were the two oxygens next to each other? I think they were. Was it all in one line? Does it matter? Can we knock that down? I have a feeling this is not gonna work. No, then we're stuck and we can't get out. Okay. This is not symmetric though. Maybe the reason there's a hole in the middle is because I'm supposed to do that one first. But so I'm not convinced by that. Because then I can't bond to anything. Maybe I'm supposed to come through here like this. Get on the other side of that. Go up to that. Not like that. Maybe I go... Oh my god. I can't go down and make a line. Because that's... We're just gonna get stuck. A mobile version of a Slay the Spire game that's free. Dungeon Tales. Okay. I'll check it out. On iOS. Hey, how'd the move go, Fatheed? You were moving today, right? Are you all in? Did we try it? God. There. No. No. I can push. What if I push him down? Just because I can. Whoops. You've got it on Android. Can we do that? Yes. If in doubt, push. Hydrogen peroxide again. Paper is naturally brownish. Hydrogen peroxide is one of several chemicals used to bleach it whiter. Chimney. Okay, now we're starting to get more complicated. He did. So offended. The Room, okay, yeah, I think I played. Yeah, I did. I played the original Room on iPad a long time ago, many years ago. Didn't play any of the others. The other, yeah, the Sokobond page is there's quite a few on there. There's another newish one that I picked up as well, which I'm going to be playing at some point, called the Monsters Expedition, which is a similar kind of mechanics, really, but it looks really nice. So I'll give that a go at some point as well. Jeez. There are 2 O's. This is different. NO2H3 maybe? What is gonna... It feels like... Feels like... Feels like we should be doing something symmetrical here. Oh wait, but hang on. I was thinking of like coming in from the sides with an O and H, but then I won't be able to push it up. And if I push that up now, that's gonna end up in completely the wrong place. Like what was I thinking of? Something like... Oh, well, not if I go on the bottom, but if I bond... No, if I bond to that oxygen, then I'm screwed. I think. This is not right. This is definitely not right. Because now I can't get down and pick up that hydrogen. What if I just go... We've only got 1 bond left then. That doesn't feel right. We mean this... No, we're going to be stuck, aren't we? Because... And then... And we're out of bonds. The oxygen's got a bond to itself. Azenic acid, H3NO3. Have you just looked that up? I feel like I want to do that. I want to do... Oh, I'm just going to end up doing the same thing I did the first time. Didn't work then either. Maybe I'm getting hung up on the symmetry. It's easy to kind of get... For your mind to get channeled into one way of thinking about the problem. Hey, Fat Heat's back. How was the move? Nice. Chemistry joke. Very good. Very good. Yeah. this doesn't work either way. If I go up, I bond to the nitrogen and then I can't get that back down again. Okay. Instead of doing that, let's do that. And I think I just get the feeling that needs to be under there. A few more things to move, but good otherwise. Okay, cool. No worries. Will this work now? No, it won't, because now my hydrogen's going to be in the way. Hang on there. I can do this. Oh, shoot. No, I can't. Now my hydrogen is in the way. Damn it. I thought I'd got it. Try that again. Did I just do it in the wrong order? I feel like I might have just done it in the wrong order instead of going... No, but if I don't go up now... Maybe the oxygen bonds... Oh, Jesus, I don't know. You heard an awful dad joke. You hear about the guy who fell into the upholstery machine? He's fully recovered now. Very good, very good. If I push that there. No, my hydrogen's going to be in the way again. Isn't it? Can I push that? Oh my god, I don't know. No, I can't push it up. Otherwise we're gonna get, again, this hydrogen's gonna be here and we're gonna be trying to... I think this is wrong. Let's reset. What else could I do? Did I ever try? Yeah, I did try bonding to the oxygen and then pushing the nitrogen up with the oxygen. Really strongly want to do that. This isn't gonna work though. Like, you know, I could do that and that and that, but then I can't get up in there to get that. Does that suggest... But even that... I can't make that work because... then I can't get down. Maybe we do that, but I just... Wait, no. Do that. No, I'm not going to be able to get to the hydrogen at the bottom again. Jeez. Why is this so hard? Feel free to shout out your answers in chat. Can I grab that and bring it back down? And stick an oxygen there. Oh shoot. Hang on, that might be... Oh shoot, not that. That might work. But, nope. But then I move that over there first, and then I go there, and then I go there. No, no, no. I go there, I go there, I go there. This hydroxylamine, H3NO2. This is Latin for twice. I did Latin at school. I have no idea why. My mother said I should do Latin because then I would be able to read gravestones. That seemed like a dubious justification for learning Latin when I was a kid, and it still seems like a dubious justification now. I don't think I have read a single gravestone thanks to my knowledge of Latin. And I don't even remember learning that bis was Latin for twice, so... wasted childhood. Heart. This looks deceptively simple. Except if I push that to one side. I move it out the way so that I can get up. But where? I don't want to bond to the hydrogen. As soon as I go left, I'm bonding to the carbon, and I don't think that helps me, right? So then I don't see any way to get that. Pushing it twice doesn't feel right either. Because then how the heck do I get that? I need to rotate. When am I going to get rotate? Push it up. Push it up. Then that way. Oh, is this gonna work? This feels like such a good idea. It's a fantastic idea that doesn't work. Ah, let me in! Let me in! Man, I was sure that was the solution. Okay, maybe it is. But maybe the trick. Which one's it going to bond to if I go up? bonds to the one with the most free electrons. Either way, that doesn't help. Because I still can't get to that. Something's... Hydrogen needs to be on top of that carbon. Oh, man. If I go up... No. Oh, what if I go... No, 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 not there. Don't want to bond to you. Oh, but I don't want to go left either. I wanted to go up. Bond to the top of it, but I can't. Oh, man. Anybody see it? Up one, left one, up one, left one. If I go up one now, I'm going to bond with the hydrogen above me. Or were you going from there? Up one, left one, up one. Yeah, I can't go left, but that's going to happen. That's the movement of the 3 circle thingy. Up, left, up. Sorry, Jolly, I'm again misunderstanding your instructions. So from here, where would we go? What did the scientist say when he found 2 isotopes of helium? Hee. It's chemistry jokes all night tonight. Like, what is going to bond to the top of that carbon atom? Either we push it, so it's one of those, but then it's stuck against the side. And the only way we can move it is by bonding with it, and then we can't do anything. Or it's this one that somehow has to end up on top. Right. There. Down. Right, up. God. It really feels like there's a sudden, like, lateral shift that usually involves pushing things. Earthquakes can release methane into the ocean from undersea reserves. Let's go there. Block. Okay, well, we can't go up. The obvious move to do is to go down, so that's probably wrong. So we'll go down here. What kind of fish is made out of 2 sodium atoms? 2 Na. Tuna. God. Tuna, yes. That's the wrong pronunciation though, Fahid. Tuna. 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 Wait, is that a north-south thing? We've had endless discussions amongst my friends about what is a north-south thing and what is just a kind of posh and common thing. So tuna versus tuna. I don't know. I say tuna. Then you got things like scones and scones. I'm definitely a scone person. And garage or garage. And I'm definitely a garage person. Maybe it's a Yorkshire thing. I don't know. No, keep going, please. These are good. Very thematic. I appreciate the effort to the theme. Okay, how do we get the top one? That's gonna be the tricky one. We at least know it has to bond to the nitrogen. Ant and Dec eat tuna. You eat tuna. Right, good. Tuna. Wait, Jolly, are you from the US, Jolly, or are you from the UK? For some reason I'm thinking you're from the US, but I don't know why. Oh, South Wales Valleys, UK? Okay. Cool. Okay, if I go straight up and I stick this thing to the top of me, I then can't get can I? What if I do... No, because then I do that, and then there's no way to get that up there. You know, the obvious thing is if I do that and that, then I'm stuck. So I can't do that either. Which tells me we have to get that top one. Oh, so we have to get the top. Oh, Jesus. We have to get the top one from the other side, from the right-hand side. So how would we do that? Which means we have to have, like, this hydrogen atom has to be up in that top corner and the nitrogen one has to be in between all the three of us, I think. But not sure. See how to do that, I guess. But wait, could we push it? This isn't gonna work either. Nope. Oh, come on. I almost want to find a way to push that top hydrogen atom to the left. But I don't see a way to do that. Oh man. Feeling very dumb again. Oops, didn't want to do that. Let's just... No, we don't want to do... Oh... No, we don't want to do that. Don't want to do that. What's so frustrating about these kind of games is you know the answer is only like a handful of moves, and if you knew what it was, you could just do it and be done. Like, you know, the solution is like takes 2 seconds. It's all about seeing it. Once you've seen it, the actual implementation takes like no time at all. Connect to the N at the bottom and then move down. So that, and then move down. We can't go to the left to pick up the guy from the left because then we'll get stuck. So the only option then would be to go to the right. And then the two options are go up now, which won't work because then we'll have a hydrogen stuck above us and so there's no way to get to the top. Or go there and go up and then go there and go there and then back up and then go there and then there and we're done. Yes! Ammonia NH3. Ammonia can be found on Jupiter, Uranus and even Pluto. It's like, yeah, it's nice. It's a very elegant game. Here we go. Same problem we've done a million times before. CH4. What could possibly be harder about this than anything else we've done? Okay, we have to bond to that first, surely. The trick is going to be getting the hydrogen on top. Which is going to involve pushing one of them down with the hydrogen that's currently inert. But then how does that help us get that one on top? Well, if we push that one down. Eesh. Maybe we pick one up first. No, how are we going to get the one on top? It's going to be the problem. Can we go like that, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that? Yes. Methane. Methane can explode or suffocate people without warning. Should look at the titles of each level as well, because it's probably a clue. Or could be a clue. Chandelier. Okay, so I'm guessing it's going to look like a chandelier. So probably those... did I want to do that? Yes, like that, like... Oh, no. Not like that. I'm thinking those... Okay, so I'm thinking those hydrogens to the left and right in the oxygen are going to be bonded to the top of those two carbon atoms. And then we are going to basically push down the... No, that's not going to work. The oxygen's only got two bonds. If it bonds to the two carbons, it can't bond with the hydrogen at the bottom. Wait, so what does what's the hydrogen at the bottom bond to? Hang on. If we bond... Do we bond to the oxygen? If we bond to the oxygen, it has one bond left. Let's just play around. Let's do that. Let's... God. What if I go down again? Okay, it bonds to that one. Why not? But then how do we get any kind of bond to the hydrogens above us? Yikes. Can we produce multiple products? I'm assuming we can only produce, we're just trying to produce one molecule. I would hope they would give us some clue if we were going to do, you know, like make H2O at the top and then, you know, just push other stuff around. Although I don't think we can, can't even do that there. We don't have many options there. What if that goes like that? God, just how are we going to get those hydrogens on the side? We're going to do... Maybe we're going to do... that. Maybe... that. What's going to bond to the hydrogen on the left? That carbon atom, except I don't think we can do it. Could do that and that. I feel like we're kind of close, but you know, something like that and then up to the top, but that doesn't quite work. What if we stick to that? We do that. That. And that. And that. And that. And that. Oh no! Okay, but don't bond to the second carbon. Keep that idea. Don't bond to the second carbon. But I have to bond to the second carbon, otherwise I can't pick up the... can I push the hydrogen on the left down? Once I've done that. No, I cannot. Can I? Or can I do... No, I can't get up high enough. Oh, I feel like that's close. Okay, so if instead of doing that, I do that, can we make that work? No, because now I have to push that up to get up there, which doesn't help. Oh, no! Thinking about the shape of a chandelier. I feel like that is most likely to be right. I can't. It's just the same thing the other way. Oh, no. No. That has to be the right answer. Make it work. The only option is to come down on top of that blue or go to the left. Yeah. We've been going to the left. What if we went to the right instead? Would that... It might make a difference. That would be asymmetric. What if we did that? We can then, hang on, wait, that's different. We can then push this one on the right down. Is that helpful? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. We can do that. And then we can do that, and that, and that, and that. Ethanol. C2H60. The lethal dose of ethanol is 5 grams per litre of blood. Creature. Another CH4. Okay. We could go to any of them first. We drunk it all. Let's start with the one in the bottom left. We can either go on the right of it or above it. Let's go above it. Need one. Oh, that's not going to work. That often it seems like it wants us to cross over. Actually pushing that to the middle is not going to help. If it ends in Hull, then got to be careful. Still got a bottle of wine and vodka left. Nice. You're all good to go then. Which one is going on top? What if we push it to... Oh no, they bond. No, we can't do that. Okay. Let's try something different. Let's go there. Which one is going on top? It has to be that one. this. Oh no, it's going to make it 3. It's going to be too big. Damn it. We can go to the right and pick up these 2 and then move back to the left, but we won't get to the other hydrogen. So we kind of need to do it there, but we can't do it there because then we will be 3 wide and then we won't be able to get to the top unless we also push it down. And then we're good. Methane, CH4 again. The Hubble telescope has seen methane in the atmosphere of a planet 63 light years away. Cows. I'm sure from what we've learned tonight, we know that there is that must mean there is a 66% probability that that planet has cows on it, right? Because 2/3 of all of the methane on Earth is produced by cows. I think that works. Kruskal. I don't even know what Kruskal means. Is that if that's a clue, it's a very obscure one. Oh my god. What is this gonna look like? If we push that to the right, then we can't get it. Do that. Oh no, we can't. No, we can't. Trying to get a feel for how the molecule might be laid out. Kruskal. What does Kruskal mean? We did something like... That seems... That just seems insane. We could pick up the hydrogen to our left with that oxygen. Does this work? It's not quite going to work, is it? I am doomed no matter what I do. Now I can't get up. Do that. That doesn't feel good. Nope, that doesn't feel good. Not quite sure what I'm aiming at here. It's not. I'm gonna end up right back. Oh no, I'm even worse position than I was before. Yeah, that's not good. We do that. We've got something we can knock stuff around with. Can we do that? This doesn't feel good either. That, no. No, I'm just... Well, actually, surprisingly, that can bond there. It doesn't help. Don't know what I'm doing. There. There. No. Need rotate. There is no rotate. Do something, I don't know, like that. No, hang on. Don't be symmetric. Like that, like that. Knock that that way. Knock that that way. Ah! Felt like it should have worked. But it didn't. What about... Can't get him on the left and right. Let's try something random. There and there. That's going to bond to the oxygen. Do I want that? No. Do I want the oxygen to bond to? I want it to bond to thing over here, but if I do that, then I can't move the hydrogen anywhere. Can't get it bonded onto the carbon. That can't be right. It's too straightforward. Can it? Wait, what if I do? Huh. No, I don't know. I don't know. Suggestions from chat are welcome. Please don't hesitate to suggest a solution. That's the starting point there. Usually like moving asymmetrically, which is why I kind of thought that and then go over to the other side. But now we've got this. We could like bump that. I don't know, bump that there. Go and grab that one. Advantage with that is we can bond to stuff below us. So we can go there and there and there. Methanediol, CH402. Astrochemists want to search for signs of this substance in faraway stars. Oh, was that what you were suggesting as well, Jolly? Two more yellows left. This is more orangey. Oh boy. Okay. I already don't like that move. I don't know why. No. Grab that. Feels like it's almost certainly wrong. Oh no, that is wrong. Okay, we can't push that up then. No, that don't feel good. I did the same thing in a different order, okay. can we go connect to that? Connect to that. Connect to that and then come across here. I think we can do that. And that. And that. Ethane, C2H6. Ethane was first produced in 1834, but it was mistaken for methane. Okay, one more. Factory. N2H4. Oh, quickest solve ever. Maybe I'm getting into the flow. Famous last words. Hydrazine, H4N2. Hydrazine has been used as a fuel for the US Army's liquid-propelled artillery.